Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to perform hard reset via settings. To perform hard reset via settings, let's go to settings of your tab. System and reset options. Now select erase all data to reset it via settings. Remember that this function will erase everything from your smartphone, including photos, contacts, messages and Google accounts. Also make sure that your tab has more than 50% battery to factory reset it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.